Welcome to the world of colors. I'm Colors. Today we're going to be making a Dollar Tree plaque hack. Looks like this over here. I took a couple of the ornament plaques and put them together and made the little gnomes come to life on the sides of it. So I wanted to show you how we did that real quick. And I'll be right back to tell you what we'll need to do this. So what we're going to be using to make this project today is some green felt, some red felt, and some white fur for the beards. You need two 3-inch long by 2.5-inch wide beards for the gnomes. 3.5-inch or 3 inches long and 2.5 inches wide are the beards. And then we're going to use some jute, some of the pom-poms, neon pom-poms from Crafter's Square Dollar Tree, and some of these holiday pom-poms from Crafter's Square, some Testers Coral Cove craft paints by Rust-Oleum, and these are what we're going to use for the nose. They're knobs, wooden knobs from Joann's. And they're 1.4 inch by 1.5 inch size. We're going to paint those knobs with the Coral Cove paint for the noses. And then I had taken out some miscellaneous pom-poms from my pom-pom box for the tops of the hats and different places. You'll see that you need different pom-poms. So that's what we're going to use for our materials list. And I'll be right back with you. So the first thing you want to do is take your white ornament, and we're going to take the steel off the top of it so that when you put these together, glue these together, they'll be flat together for the hanging on the wall. So we'll take a screwdriver and just kind of pop off the steel part off the top of the white ornament. I'm just trying to not rip the paper farther down than I want it. There we go. Now we won't be using that. So what we want to do is glue these two together. Like that. Just lay it on there, making sure the words are straight. I'm going to let that set up and I'll be right back with you. So the first thing that we want to do is take the beard and turn them over and just do the glue on the corners like I usually do on the big beards. Put the little glue on there and turn it up. So we'll be able to see the legs when we get to that stage. Turn them up like that. And then we're going to go ahead and glue them on. I worked with them a little bit and established a mustache on there. And we're going to glue them right below the rim of the hat on there. Like that. And then we'll take the nose that I painted with the Coral Cove by Rust-Oleum, the Testers craft paint, and just get your glue on there and glue it right in the middle like that. And I'll let that set up and I'll be right back with you. So what you want to do now, since I've got the bottom one all set up so you can see how that looks, the arms and the legs, and we're going to do the arms and the legs on the top one now. So we'll just take, and I've got the little patches glued on for the knees, and we'll just go ahead and glue those in place. Like that, and glue the other one. trying to get them to glue not on top of the M. You want to kind of situate it so it's not coming down on top of your Merry Christmas words. And over here we're going to have room for the pom-pom to go on top of this gnome's hat. So got it like that. And then what we want to do is take about a 3-inch long piece and glue it to the back for the arm to come around. You see, like that. So we're going to take this long 3-inch piece and we're going to glue it to the back and have it come around for the arm. We do the same thing like that on the bottom. And this one gets the neon green hand. Like that. And then you take a shorter, it's about 1.5 inches long arm, and we put that on the top. Glue it like that. On the side here. I'm kind of pulling it as it dries, and then I'm going to put a pom-pom, neon green pom-pom right on the top of the candy canes like that. And then we want to put red pom-poms down here for the feet. Like that. And then we'll put a red pom-pom at the top right here. On the top of that hat, the red pom-pom, and then a white pom-pom on the top of the bottom one's hat. And then I took and put some of the little glittery pom-poms on this poinsettia. You see, I have glue all over my fingers at this point. Like that. And then on the top of this one's hat, the bottom one's hat, I put red and green, if I can get them, pom-poms along, like a row of them across the rim of the bottom of the hat. Like that. Need a red one. And that's all except for putting the jute bows on. You want to take and make a little jute bow for the top here. I put that right underneath the steel piece at the top. Right there. And then to hang it, you want to take a piece of jute and run it through the top of the ornament. and then just knot it right close to the ornament. Then knot it again a couple inches up. And that'll be how you hang it. I'll trim that up a little bit. And that's just an easy project for you to do with the plaques. Just wanted to show you that today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, make sure to like. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.